Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther Ria, and today we will be cooking jollof rice, African jollof rice. And this is our ingredients: rice, blended pepper, tomatoes and onions, tomato paste, meat stock, onions, fresh tomatoes, green bell pepper, bay leaf, plantain, cooking oil, curry, thyme, salt to taste, and seasoning cubes. And that is all we'll be needing for today's jollof rice. First, we'll be adding the oil into the cooking pan. Then we allow it to heat up a little bit. You can use your onions to check if it is hot enough. Then you add the remaining onions. Stir and do not allow to burn. That's my tomato paste. Add your tomato paste and continue to stir so it won't get burned. You can fry in batches, adding some little more to the tomato paste. Then you continue stir frying it. Add blended pepper, tomatoes and onions. Stir together, then allow to cook together. Continue to stir fry it and let them marry each other. Add your curry powder. Add thyme. Add the meat stock, chicken, beef, any of your choice. Cover and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After which they've married each other, add your seasoning cube and your salt to taste. Depending on how the rice you are using can absorb salt or the sweetening of that rice itself. That is my washed rice, not parboiled, just like that. After washing, drain the water, then you add to the mixed sauce on fire, then you turn together. Let them marry each other, then you can add your boiled hot water into it now. I'm adding this water little gradually because sometimes when you don't know the consistency of the rice you are using, how it can absorb water, you can just add little at a time to get the actual fat, so you don't get too sticky or too soft. You will want your rice to stand one by one. So that is what we'll be achieving on this jollof rice. Yeah, am I forgetting to say something? Happy Vows Day in areas. So this is my special vow delicacy for you. It's red color. I'm using this to say happy vows to you again, even when vow is gone, because every day is Valentine. You know that. I know you get that. Yeah, so I'm turning it right now, so you would see that the rice is remaining just a little for it to get done, and even it can get this rice ready. So right now I'll be adding the bay leaf to the jollof rice so it can cook and macerate. The aroma from the bay leaf and the nutrient from that herb is so lovely, but don't leave it inside your rice when serving. You get it. Now add the last batch of the water that will be cooking this rice done, so the aroma from the bay leaf can actually go into that rice. I know you can feel it. I can feel it. Now it's time to remove the bay leaf from the rice. Like I said, we are not going to be serving the rice with the bay leaf. It's not good. It's good to remove the bay leaf from the rice. So our rice is done. It just needs a little steam up. Then we are done. Now you can add your onions to it so it can steam alongside with it. There's something I love about food coloring. Can you feel that color of green on that jollof rice? I can feel it really. Then you add your tomatoes. Oh God. All finely chopped, then you turn. Yeah, and you allow it to steam. Then our jollof rice is ready. Yeah, it's ready. You know, I prefer my own onions to be half done so I can enjoy it crunchy. Oh jeez. So I'm serving it right now. I'm serving it with fairly fried plantain and deep fried plantain. That is, one is very golden brown while the other one is slightly golden brown. Yeah, this is a nice plating and I'm loving it right here, you know. Can you feel it? You can also plate it this way using a bowl in plating it. And like I said, this is my vow delicacy to you. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for always giving my videos thumbs up, lovely comments, checking on my channel. You have been a source of motivation to me and my channel. And I'm saying thank you so much for all you do and for the love you've shown to me on this channel. So this is the second plating I'll be doing for this jollof rice. And then we call it a wrap. So now I'm adding my chicken to it, then chala. Look how the plantain looks nice on it. So the deep fried golden brown and the slightly fried plantain, garnished also with fresh tomatoes. Can you feel it? I believe you can feel it. If you love this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to recommend this channel to someone out there that will be needing it. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel. If you are subscribed, please turn on the notification bell so you get notified. Thank you. Bye bye.